Monetary equilibrium. The LM curve shows the combinations of interest rate and income levels for which the money market is in equilibrium. That is to say, the money demand equals the monetary supply. The money demand depends on the income level and the interest rate. It can be expressed as L equals K times Y minus H times the interest rate, where K and H represent respectively the sensibility of money demand to changes in income and interest rate. In order to graphically show the money demand, we have to determine the income level in the graph interest rate and money demand L. If income equals income sub 0, then for interest rate I sub 0, the money demand is equal to K times I sub 0. That is to say, for I sub 0, the value of money demand equals K times I sub 0. However, as the interest rate increases, the money demand decreases and therefore the slope is negative. The monetary equilibrium occurs when L equals M divided by the price level P, which is the monetary supply in real terms. In simplified terms, monetary supply is determined by the central bank. We can draw it as a vertical line that determines the value of M divided by P sub 0, being M established by the central bank. The equilibrium is established when both lines cross each other, therefore in point E, determining the interest rate in the monetary equilibrium. Upon the monetary market equilibrium, we can obtain the curve LM. The graph, we can determine that for income level Y sub 0, the interest rate in the monetary equilibrium is I sub 0. Joining both points, we obtain the first monetary equilibrium, that is to say, the first point of the LM curve. If we modified the income value, we would get the point K times Y sub 1, providing that the income sub 1 is greater than the income sub 0. If the slope has not been modified, we will get a new monetary demand curve L for the income Y sub 1. The equilibrium point will be now point B. Therefore, for the new income level Y sub 1, the interest rate obtained in the monetary market will be I sub 1. If we join both points in the graph interest rate income, we obtain a new point of the LM curve. Joining both points, we obtain the LM curve for the money supply, M divided by P sub 0, established by the central bank. What does it happen if money supply increases? If the central bank increases the money supply, the vertical line M divided by P sub 0 shifts to the right until M divided by P sub 1. Now the equilibrium interest rates are I sub 0 prime and I sub 1 prime. Therefore, for the income level sub 0, the interest rate in equilibrium is now the interest rate sub 0 prime, obtaining one new point A prime. For the income level Y sub 1, we obtain a new interest rate in equilibrium I sub 1 prime, thus reaching a new point B prime. Joining the points A prime and B prime, we obtain a new LM curve. The LM curve prime determined by the monetary supply M divided by P sub 0. Therefore, an increase of the money supply shifts the curve LM to the right.